A quick logical reasoning challenge. 2, 5, 10, 17. What next? Thinking hard? Hi, this video is for you. I'm Harismita Rajkumar. Today, I'll be taking logical reasoning from beginner to advanced level. This is a beginner friendly questions. So you can just prepare gradually but steadily. So you can see if you are preparing for placements, any aptitude exams. So this is a logical reasoning. Anyone can see it. And this is a beginner friendly question so that you need not worry. It might be difficult. So let's quickly get into the video. Now, our first question. If pencil is written as QFODJM, what is the code for book? So when you have alphabets, just write the alphabets. Already just before starting an exam, write your alphabets in order and place the number for it. For example, for this, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So corresponding, I'll write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. Okay, these are the numbers. So let me just take red pen for assigning this. So pencil P. So pencil P, I'm having it as 16. This P, it is written as Q it is compared to or written as Q here. So P is compared to Q. So P and Q are here. Next E. E is compared to F. E and F are here. Okay. E is compared to F. Then N is compared to O. N and O are next. Okay. So when you look at this term itself, they are comparing, they are writing the number plus 1. Okay. If it is P, they are writing Q. If it is E, they are writing F. If it is O, N, they are writing O. So likewise, if it is C, definitely the next number is D. So plus 1 number they are writing. So book. What is B? B is in second position. What is plus 1 for it? C. So definitely your number should start with C. Every number starts with C. So next one. O. After O, let me just write B. So your number should start with C. So C is your letter here, first letter. Second, your letter is O here. So what is next number of, next letter of O? Next letter of O of P. So you should assign, let me tell you, you should assign B to C, O to P. Okay, then again book you're having one more O, one more P will be there. So your letter is CPP and then K you're having. K you need not find because from this itself you got the answer. It is CPPL. So I hope you understood this sum. Now next sum. All dogs are animals. So every dog is animal. So when you're having a set here, you can say that every dogs are animals. Right? So all dogs are animals. So this is a dog set and some animals are pets. So in the whole animal thing, in that you have different sections. Okay, this is the whole animal set. Okay, in that you have dog, in that you have cat, in that you have rat, lion, everything. In that upper to that you have one more set which is pets. Another thing which you have non-pets. Okay. Now what are they? All dogs are animals and some pets are only some animals are pets. Not all animals are pets. Some animals are pets. So are all pets dogs? No, right? In pet you can have cat, rat and anything. So you can say that some pets are dogs. So this is the right answer. The some pets can be dogs. Now let's go to the next one. These are easy sums, so I'm just going little quickly. Now what next in the sequence? So this is 2 and 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Then 10 plus 7 is 17. So 3, 5, 7. You have a pattern, right? 3, 5, 7, which is 2 greater than it. So 2 greater than 7 is 9. So which is plus 9. 17 plus 9. What you will get? You will be getting 26. So 26 is your answer. So answer for this question is 26. I hope you understood this sum. Now, this is easy sum. So kindly check, kindly comment below the answer for fourth sum. This is really easy. So definitely you can do it. This is actually easy, but just because since it's a beginner friendly, mostly you'll have very easy questions only. Now, book is reading. So, book, what you will do? Book you will use for reading. So, fork, what you'll do? You'll use it for eating. Spoon and fork, you're using it for eating. So, your answer for this question is eating. Okay. So, book is used for reading and fork is used for eating. Okay. Now, same way, G, R, E, A and T. G is compared to H, S is R is compared to S, and F is compared, E is compared to F, and A is compared to B, and T is compared to U. Okay, there's some question mistake, so I have just typed it and have written it. I hope you can see it in the screen clearly. Now, when you check this itself, after G, what letter you having? H. After R, which letter are you having? S. After E, which letter are you having? F. Okay, after A, which letter are you having? B. So basically, the number is nothing but +1, which is the next letter. Okay, it is compared to the next letter. After W, which letter will you have? You will be having X. So only two numbers are there, which you have X. Sorry, two options are there. So after O, you will be having P. So your number for your answer is X PSME. This is your answer. So you can just, by looking at the option itself, you can just jot down the options and you can do it. Now, this is actually really easy sum. If A is strictly greater than B, okay, then B is strictly greater than C and C is strictly greater than D, then what can you say? A is strictly greater than D. So that is your answer for your seventh question. Now let's go to the next question. This is really easy sum. So this also I just comment below the answers for this. Just comment the question number and answer for this below. I'll just answer if it is right or wrong. So if you want sums related to it, logical reasoning, kindly comment below. I'll increase the complexity. So this is a beginner friendly logical reasoning. Then gradually I'll increase the complexity. So comment below if you have any doubts. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.